This is a Montgomery Ward J277F. This is a Happy Made machine, and it's got the big control door and the flip out bobbin winder. But to remove the lid for lubrication and adjustment, it has a screw here, and then it has a hidden screw over here by the cam area. So the easiest thing to do is pull down, remove the cam, and it's got a metal zigzag cam, and then pull this lever up. This lever is the stretch stitch option, and in this hole is a screw to loosen, and when that screw is loosened, this lid here can slide forward and off. It's got that clip that goes on this screw, and then with the lid slipped off, you have access to cleaning and oiling and adjusting the cam follower here and the stretch stitch link. There's a lever here for disengaging the cam so that you only have straight stitch, and for changing cams it's got a plastic piece, and then the control behind the stitch width selector is also a plastic cam rolling in here. This stitch selector, the width control, that cam is plastic but not under a lot of stress. This lever here for the cam lift here, this piece is under a lot of strain, so if you find one of these, it might have a broken plastic piece here, and any of the cracks, if you find a crack on the cam for your width selector, that should be easy to repair. Otherwise, it appears to be all metal on the second dial here, which is the buttonhole feature. With that lid removed, got access for all the regular oiling of everything that can move. But that hidden door, or that hidden screw, is a bit of a challenge to get at if you don't remove the cam and engage the stretch stitch lever here.